When Mega FM posted an article, there was a lot of reaction. This was about the recently concluded Acholi Cultural Festival 2024. Despite having unsettled tensions in the K-Kwara Acholi, Rwot went ahead to conduct the Acholi Cultural Festival. And the news and the information that we got, it was not as usual. The numbers of the dancers were few. People were lacking the morale. People were asking a lot of questions. And now, Mega FM posted something that goes, it's the final day of Acholi Cultural Festival, 4th edition underway at Kawunda grounds in Gulu City. The event has attracted over 2,000 out the targeted 5,000 included visitors from across Uganda and the Luo community from Kenya. Now from the first point, the projection was 5,000 and the number that came in were 2,000. Well, I don't know how people got counted to just 2,000 net, but anyway, let's leave that one aside. I don't want to put any personal opinion on this. Then there were response from a number of people. People had respond. So a man by the name Patrick Onen Chan said, "What a shame, Mega FM." So I think he was meaning why did Mega post this? Then Stevens said it's quite been a dull event from the past editions. We need more sponsorship to come on board. The chiefdoms should do more for the next edition. And another person, still the same person, Stevens he said, actually we should make this event stand as a platform to address issues in the region and development methodologies. A person by the name Andrew Acana said, is there any resolution from this festival, or it's just drinking kwere, eating and dancing, and that's all? I failed to identify the importance of this. So Andrew is doubtful of the importance of the cultural festival. Okot Ray said, as of the recent update, there has been some issues about the leadership of K-Kwara Acholi. Election was done and the new leadership was installed. The new leadership distanced itself from this festival. Something is wrong. Why is this ongoing when there are issues to fix within the kingdom? It's meaning issues within the chiefdom are not yet fixed. And lastly, is from a man by the name Joseph Omoy. Omoy said it's been not a festival at all. We can see from the first impression, it's time to accept that Acholi wants not what the dear Acana and his few colleagues wants. Apire is the leader now. We respect Acana. So those are all not my opinions, comments from a post by Mega FM, who have been one of the media giving media visibility to Acholi Cultural Event 2024 edition, which is reportedly a flop. We will keep meeting, and if there is anything to clarify on this or any other, we will come running. Thank you.